A waterfall that burns forever? Look closer. Chestnut Ridge Park's 30-foot cascade hides an 8-inch flame glowing around 2,800 Kelvin, sheltered in a rock grotto behind the water. Natural gas seeps from 400-million-year-old Devonian shale, feeding a deep amber flame with an electric orange core against dark, wet rock and crystalline water. Here's the mystery. The rock appears too cool for typical thermogenic gas, yet the flame persists. Scientists are still investigating how this geology defies expectations. Mesmerizing, impossible, yet real. Stay curious, explore the science, and witness nature's secrets burning behind water.